do? My pleasure greeting. How do you do? Say it when you're meeting. How do you do? With everyone repeating. Pretty good shows you're born. What goes up is sure to come down. A penny lost is a penny found. How do you do? And you howdy back. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. How do you do?
Nice to meet you.
Fine, how are you? How you come on? Pretty good shows you're on. Stop jumping around. You'll run out of breath. Why don't you sit back and calm yourself? You can carry on now if you must. We'll do what we like, cuz that suits us. Howdy. How do you do? Mighty pleasant greeting. Pretty good shows you're born. Pretty good shows you're born.
How do you do?
How do you do? Mighty pleasant greeting. How do you do? Say it when you mean. How do you do? With everyone repeating. Pretty good shows you're born. Pretty good shows you're born.